Has this been out, or is it just coming out?
Debuted at the National last year and just gaining traction at this point.
Oh yeah. So when you have the control box bad, you just come out to the well, hook everything up to the pressure switch just like that, and it's done.
Yep.
Man, if that works good, that'd be a lot easier than hooking up the control box every time.
Oh yeah. There you go, there you go. Yep, that's everything. Another nice thing about this control switch here is this cap, this proprietary cap, it don't care if the power is 115 or 230. So that particular control switch works on a 1/2 horse 115 volt and a 1 horsepower 230. This whole concept's around just speeding up the process for you guys so you guys can do things quicker, because time is money.
Oh yeah.
Jenny, I put one of them T's on every one of these Swift mud wells all the way up till now. That blows my mind, man. Swift mud's gonna come back and check this motherfucker. You watch.
That's Jimmy from Sweetwater Well Drilling in Thonotosassa, Florida. And that's Lee heading the other direction. That's the rig.
Got a dent on it on that side and scratches over here.
You guys hook it up with a union?
Not anymore. We used to, but
We don't require it no more.
Gotcha.
we had a rack with it.
No, I was just gonna say if it was a union type situation, then you could take and this could be your guys' job site tank, and then you just always switch it out.
Yeah.
Diagram there.
Yeah, that diagram's just if you're hooking up a pressure switch. So you're running with this with the generator?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're ready, Willie.
We have contact. There we go.
Bladder might be stuck in this tank. Yeah, that's what it is. Bladder's messing up in this tank. We've had them do this to us. If you open it a little bit, it pressures. If you open it all the way, it goes and just barely comes out. You close the pressure back off and it picks back up.
It's like an air bubble.
No, look, bladder's stuck. Not, look. See? So the pump comes back on, you shut that off, it's already at 62 pounds. You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
This is the tank, we'll have to put a different tank on it. We'll have to put a different tank on it. That bladder's fucked up like the old tank. Look.
You see any issues potentially?
No, not really. No, seem to go on there pretty good.
I mean, if you had an estimation to give, how quick do you think, or how much faster is it to hook up to one rather than two? When it comes, but you know, comparing.
Yeah, 10 or 15 minutes faster.
And you know, I mean, basically, you guys are drilling how many wells a year?
70.
Yeah, so 70 times 15 minutes adds up over the course of a calendar year.
Yep.
All right, well, gentlemen, I definitely want to thank you guys for hooking this puppy up and letting me film this, and hope to see you at the National.
Okay.
All right, thanks.